So, good morning, all. Today we are going to start the unit number 4, that is tree, which is also a non-linear data structure. Till now, we have covered the linear data structures that are array, linked list, stack, and queue. All of these are of the kind of linear. So, what do you mean by linear?
Sir, voice is not audible, sir.
Elements are elements are arranged in a sequential manner, or we array, or we can say through indexes.
Okay, so it means that the elements that are in the sequential way, stored in the sequential way, that are linear data structure.
Yes, sir.
Sequential means one after another.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Still, some people are saying that my voice is not clear. Is it so?
But you are not audible.
सर
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
तो
Some
आप ऑडिबल
students
है
are
सर.
facing problem.
I
ऑडिबल है
think this
सर
is
प्रॉपरली.
a common problem. I think some of you are able to listen me, but some of you are not able to listen me. I am also facing the same thing. I am able to listen some students properly, but some students are not audible. Their voices are breaking. So it is a common issue right now, I think. So should I continue with this? Okay. So I am starting the tree that is non-linear data structure. Non-linear means the elements will not be stored in the sequential manner. Okay. Sequential means one after another. So like you are seeing in this particular slide, the tree, a structure like a tree is there. We can resemble this particular tree of data structure with our daily life tree. In coming slide, we will see how it is resembling with the real life tree. Okay, so it is a first of all, it is a non-linear data structure, which
Yes,
is
sir. It is non-linear.
non-linear data structure in which the elements are not stored in the in sequential manner. Actually, we can say. Okay, so first of all, the definition, or like we will see the introduction of the tree. Trees are mainly used to represent the data which are in the hierarchical form. Hierarchical form, it means ki the best example of that hierarchical form could be a parent-child relationship. We all knows that hierarchy of our family, grandparents, then like their children and so on. So this is a hierarchical form. Okay, so the best example that can resembles with the tree could be a hierarchical of a parent-child relationship. That also I am trying to show with the help of this slide, like in which some family members are there, and a tree is there, or a hierarchical relationship is there that shows the relationship between the nodes. Every nodes which are representing by the circle in this tree, like Suresh is at the topmost, then her children's are there, like he has three children's, namely maybe Sunita, Samir and Sahil. Furthermore, Sunita will have two children's like Rahul and Tina and so on. So in this way the parent child relationship is there. We are representing it with the help of tree, and it is also known as hierarchical relationship actually. Is it okay now? So it could be between elements, or it could be between records of the, like we can say, your computer systems. Okay, like in networking, you can take an example of computers. In networking, we will have a node, root
Host
node that,
computer.
sorry.
In networking, host many one host computer and
Yes,
many server
yes.
computers.
One server is there and multiple clients are there.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
out of these clients, some may be a server, some may be a like server, and furthermore, their clients may be there, and so on. So one good example of computer is server also, मतलब client server relationship also. So technical definition of a tree could be, a tree is a hierarchical representation of a finite set of one or more data items which are called nodes. Okay, nodes. Here we will also use the term nodes. I think I am audible properly right now.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
you are
sir.
audible.
He is not visible.
Yes, sir, it is better than before.
It is better now. Okay,
The
but
screen is not
my
visible.
screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Is my screen is visible?
Sir,
Sir,
yes, sir.
visible is
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Better you just pin my presentation. Go in the
Sir,
people's.
सर रीजॉइन करने रीजॉइन कीजिए दोबारा, ऐसे कभी कभी हो जाता है.
So who is not able to see, please rejoin the meeting, or you can go to the people section and there you can pin my presentation. Okay, you will be able to see it, I think. Let me know, is it visible to you all or not?
यस सर, मुझे तो विजिबल है.
Yes, sir.
Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a tree is a hierarchical representation of the finite set of one or more data items which are called nodes. Okay, right now, like suppose you are able to see here the tree that is A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D are all the nodes. Okay, like in linked list, we have studied the node. Similarly, we will have a structure here over there for the tree, and that will be, or each element will be called as a node in this also. Okay, now there is a special node which is always known as the root node of a tree. Like in this, A is a root node of that tree. Root, it means key first node. Okay, every tree must have a root. So similarly here our tree will also have a root, and the topmost node of the root tree will always be a root. And the nodes other than the root nodes forms an ordered pair of disjoint subtree. Disjoint subtree, what do you mean by the term disjoint? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of disjoint subtree? Disjoint का क्या मतलब होता है?
अलग हो जाना.
Disjoint मतलब क्या होता है बताइए?
टूटना या फिर अलग
Sir
होना.
means nothing in common.
Sorry?
So when we take an intersection of two sets and there is nothing in common, A intersection B is phi.
Two sets are disjoint if there is nothing common in between those two sets. So similarly in this, suppose I am taking this particular tree. This will be a subtree and this will be the another subtree. So these two are different or disjoint subtrees. Is it okay? Similarly, say I am taking D is a subtree and E is a subtree, then it is also a disjoint subtree. So other nodes of that tree other than root will form some ordered pair of disjoint subtrees. Every node other than the root node is a parent node. Definitely root node will not have a parent. One condition is that a root node must not have some parent. Okay, and other than a root node, will all nodes must have a parent node. Okay, and nodes may have any number of children in this case. So a node could have 1, 2, 3, 0. 0 children could also be there, and that specific nodes that have 0 children are known as leaf node. You see here in this slide that are D has no children, E has no children, C has no children. So all of the like D, E, C are leaf nodes. Is it okay to you all now? So root node, some other nodes, what is a parent node, what is a child node, and what are the leaf nodes we have seen. Okay, so this is what the tree will look like. Now in this, A is how many children? Node A has how many children?
3 children. A, B, C or D.
B, C and D, 3 children are there. And B is how many children? 2 children. E and F say, okay, and C is one child. C has 1 children. D has no children. Okay. Now some terminology we will learn about the tree. Like this is very important section, terminology, because it it is the base of the tree, this unit, as well as of the graph also. So most of the terms we will have in the graph. Okay, so please be concentrate on that. First of all, root node. We already learned about the root node. Node at the top of the tree is called the root node. Like in this, A is a root node. Now parent, any node except the root node has one edge upwards to the node which is called the parent. I will come on to the term edge. Okay. Then for right now, the parent is okay. Every node other than the root node must have a like parent node through which it is being generated. Is it okay now? Child node. Node below to the given node connected by an edge downwards is called its child node. So edge upward and edge downward. Two kinds of the edges are there. If suppose I am trying to connect a node to the upward node, then the node will be a parent node. Otherwise, it will be the child node. Siblings. Now, tell me what could be the sibling in tree. Like you will able to see the terminology also relates to that hierarchical relationship. Okay, so parent-child relationship actually. So sibling is, what do you mean by a sibling?
So
सर
same
बी के
level
सिबलिंग
node.
बी के सिबलिंग ए ई और एफ है
Sibling
जो कि
means
Brothers and sisters.
Two leaf nodes of same parent.
हाँ
not
बी
leaf
और
node. No, say
Same level
never
child node.
never says the leaf node. It could be any node. Two nodes. If two nodes of the same parents are known as sibling. Okay. Now B or C are sibling or not?
बी और सी सिबलिंग है
sir.
सर क्योंकि उनका पेरेंट्स है ए
Yes, sir.
B and C are sibling. Okay. Now tell me in this case, and E, F, N are siblings.
ई एंड
Yes,
एफ आर
sir.
सिबलिंग यस सर क्योंकि उनका पेरेंट्स बी है
F
सर
or H are sibling.
नो
No,
दीज
sir.
आर कजन्स
Yes, sir.
B or C and B or D are sibling.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So sibling, I think you know very well. F and H are not siblings because they have a different parents. So for
Yes,
being a
sir,
sibling,
these are
they must have the
cousins.
same parents actually. Okay. Now leaf node. Leaf node means if the node has no child, then that particular node is called a leaf node.
लीफ
Okay, like
नोड
in this case, D, E, C are the leaf nodes because they have no childs. Now subtree. Again, subtree I have also explained in that, like B, D, E. A subtree of that particular tree is a B, D, E, or it could be C also. So that is a subtree. Subpart of a particular tree is called a subtree. And now suppose I am talking about this subtree B, D. Which one is the root node?
D.
B will be the root node. Okay. In this subtree BD, B will be the root. In this tree C, which will be the root?
C itself.
सी
C itself. And in that tree, specifically a single node is there. If single node is there in a tree, then that tree is also a tree actually. Okay, we cannot say if A is also only there, suppose, then this is also a tree in that case. Okay, and itself it will be the root node. Now labels. Labels of the node represents the generation of a node. What it means is if the root node is at the level number 0, then its next child will be at the level number 1, and then its grandchilds will be at the level number 2, and so on. So definitely, like with the help of this diagram, you can also see A is at level number 0.
2 है मैक्सिमम
Level
लेवल 2 है
B, level number 1, 2 nodes we have B, C. Level number 2, we have 2 nodes D and E, and so on. So all these nodes, nodes of the trees will be divided into some labels. So we need to be very careful while we are drawing a tree. So all the childs must be at the same level. Okay, आप जब कॉपी में बनाएंगे तो भी आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा हमेशा. So all the childs of a particular parents and siblings must be on to the same level. So level same रखने के लिए आपको ड्राइंग भी उस तरीके से करनी पड़ेगी. Okay. Now keys means keys represents the value of a node. Like in that A is a key, B is a key, C is a key. Okay, particular value that is being stored into that particular node. Now with this diagram you can also understand that. So how many number of levels are there in this?
सर मैं बताऊं
Four levels are there actually, and level always start from 0. Okay, so root node will always be at the level number 0. Like indexes में array हमेशा
सर
कहाँ
4
से
कहाँ
start
से हो
होते हैं?
गई? 0, ए का 0 लेवल, बी से 1, बी के बाद 2, 3 है सर
Array
मैक्सिमम लेवल।
indexes are always starts from 0. Okay, similarly here the levels will always be start from 0. So A
सर
is at level number
किसी ने
0.
4 बताया था।
B and C is at the level number 1. D, E, F, G are at the level number 2, and H, I, J are the level number 3. So total number of levels are 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it okay now?
Number of levels
Total
4.
number of levels are 4. Okay. A is a root node. B is the parent of D and E. And like similarly, I have labeled all the nodes in that particular tree. Like right now, you can see here E, I, and J is a subtree with the root node F. Is it okay?
Yes sir, okay.
H, E, how many leaf nodes it have?
4,
3,
4.
5.
There are 5 leaf nodes actually.
5.
H, E, I,
H, E, I,
J,
J,
and G.
E
The
भी
nodes
तो है।
with 0 children are known as leaf node. जरूरी नहीं है कि लीफ नोड्स सारी एंड वाले लेवल पे हों. प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. ओके, like you can see that here two nodes are at the level number 2, which are leaf nodes. 3 nodes are at the level number 3, that is leaf nodes. Definitely all the nodes at the last level must be a leaf node, but please be sure that upper levels may also have some leaf nodes. Okay, it may possible कि level number 1 पर भी कोई leaf node हो. Is it okay now? Now some other terms that are again degree of a node. What do you mean by degree? Degree is the total number of childs of a particular node is known as degree.
Degree.
Total, I am repeating, total number of childs of a particular node is called degree of a node. Is it okay? Similarly, degree of a tree. Degree of a tree is the maximum degree of any node in a given tree. We will find the degree of every node, and we will find the maximum value of the degree of any of the node, and that particular value will be the degree of a tree. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. In this case,
Now tell me, degree of B is
3.
degree of B is
3.
Degree of B is 3. Why the degree of B is 3?
क्योंकि सर इसके 3 child हैं
Because
ना.
B has 3 children.
B has 3 children. Very good. Okay, now what is the degree of C?
2.
2.
क्योंकि इसके 2 child हैं सर.
What is the degree of A?
2.
2.
Now if I will ask what is the degree of a tree?
3.
3
Degree
sir.
number.
Maximum degree of tree.
So
Equals
please
to
be
3.
sure, be careful. The degree of a tree will not be the degree of a root. This is the point where most of the students done mistakes. Okay, they calculate the degree of a root node and then write the degree of the tree as a degree of a root. But in that case, I have taken a specific example in which the degree of tree is not equal to the degree of the root node. It may possible that degree of tree is equal to degree of root node. In that case, the root's degree will be the maximum degree. But right now in this example, B has the maximum degree, which is 3. And therefore, the overall degree of the tree is also 3. So degree is clear. Now path. Path is very simple. It is a sequence of consecutive edges. Now what is an edge actually? Edge is a particular, like we can say a line which is there to connect the two nodes. Like in A and B, between A and B, we have a particular edge. Okay. So it's a sequence of consecutive edges. Consecutive means they must be in the continuous manner from the source node to the destination node. A source node could be the root node or could not be the root node. I am using the term source node. I am not using the term root node here. Okay. So source node could be like B also, and destination nodes could be in this case J also. So what is a path from B to J? It is B, it is E, and it is
Or J.
Okay. So
B,
this
E,
is a
J.
path. So in this case, B is the source node and J is the destination node.
Destination node.
If I start from A, then A will be the source node and J will be the destination node. Okay, so never confuse between the source node. Source node not necessarily be the root node. It may be the any other node also. Okay, so path is a sequence of consecutive edges. Now I need to find the consecutive edge. Like suppose I cannot say that B and J is directly connected, because between,
So,
like in order to reach J from B, I need to traverse E actually. Is it okay? So B, then E, then J. So consecutive is there. Consecutivity is there. Like suppose I am going to ask a path from A to K. So what it will be? It will be A, C, G, and then K. One cannot write that A, C, and K. It will not be the path, because there is no continuity in between these two. C is not directly connected to the K. Okay. Similarly, A, G, and K is not a path. So is it okay? What is a path and what is not the path?
hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you have said that the path cannot, it is not compulsory that the path cannot be the root node. But sir, there must be in the root, the node which we are choosing from this initial starting of the path, that must to be a parent node.
No. Like I have asked you to find out the path from B to J. So in that
Yes,
case,
sir.
what is the root? What is the first node?
B.
B is the first node and J is the last node.
Yes,
So
sir. So it has to be the parent node. It is not compulsory that it is a root node.
हाँ, it may, but आप जो बोल रहे हो कि it must have a parent node, it is not required. Like A is not having any parent, but A could also be the source node. In my next example, A, C, G, K, A is the root source node and it is also the root node, which does not have any parent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now branch. Last one is branch. Branch is very important. Like a path starting from the root and ending in the leaf node is called a branch actually. Okay. So branch will be the longest path. Longest path क्या होगा?
लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ होगा सर A to B, B to E, A to
Sir,
B,
A to
B
I,
to
A to
E,
J,
और
A to K.
A to J और A to F भी हो
So like,
सकता है.
can anybody tell me how many branches are there in this?
सर 2 branches नहीं 5 branches 3 और 3 6 branches हैं रो.
6.
So it will be 6.
It
6
is 6 actually. In slide, I have written that number of branches is equals to number of leaf nodes. So from like for every leaf node, I must have a branch actually. Like D, A, B, D is a branch. For I, A, B, E, I is a branch. A, B, E, J is a branch. A, B, E, F is a branch. Sorry, A, B, F is a branch. A, C, G, K is a branch. A, C, H is a branch. So for every leaf node, there must be a branch actually. So that's why I have written that number of branches will be always equal to the number of leaf nodes in that. Is it okay now? So what is a branch? What a branch will always be starting from the root node and ending to the leaf node. Like in tree, you can resemble it. In tree, always we have multiple branches. Right? So branches always starts from that root and it will ends to the leaf. Now degree of F is?
Degree of F 0.
0.
0.
So
Okay,
one
उसके
more
बाद
definition
कोई
of a child, one more definition of the leaf node will also be, we can say that a leaf node is a node with the degree
It has a degree of 0.
0.
0. Is it okay now?
Yes,
Now
sir.
I am coming on to the next terms that are height and depth. Okay, now height of a node. Height of a node is the maximum path length from that node to the leaf node. Okay, let us take this example again. So now tell me, what is the height of B?
Height of B.
3.
B का height है B to E, E to F और J. सर रुको एक मिनट. सर इनका हाँ B to E, E to I, J. तो इसका
It will be sir 3.
3.
Sir, 3.
Can anybody else wants to try? What is the height of the node of B?
सर 2 होगा सर क्यों?
Please read the definition carefully. The height of a node is the maximum path length. Now, let me explain first of all the term path length actually. Path length is the number of edges. Number of edges that are
Sir,
there
I
in
don't
this
get-
particular path. Path length is the number of edges that exist in the path. So suppose I am asking that BEI is a path. How many edges are there in that?
2.
Two edges are there. 3 nodes and 2 edges are there. So the height of that B will be 2.
2.
हाँ
Is it
सर
okay?
इसमें रूट वो
The height of a node is the maximum path length from that node to the leaf. That node, it means B itself. Suppose I am talking about the height of B, then it is from B. So from B to leaf. Maximum leaf and maximum distance which leaf है वो identify करनी है मुझे. Okay.
सर
And
इसमें
there are
क्योंकि
2
रूट
leaves. There are 2
consider नहीं
leaves
होगा।
node that are I and J from the B. Okay, that have the same distance. Now suppose I will have some other node at that particular point, so say T. So what will be the height of that B right now in that case?
3.
It will be 3 now. Is it okay now? What is the height of a particular node?
सर इसमें रूट जो नोड है रूट है वो कंसीडर नहीं होती सर हाइट में, क्योंकि वो तो सर एग्जांपल लेते हैं जैसे हम ट्री का, तो ट्री का रियल ट्री का लेते हैं तो उसमें रूट थोड़ी ही कंसीडर होती है, उसके ऊपर का तनाई तो कंसीडर होता है कि इसका हाइट कहाँ तक है, तो हम इसमें बी को इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे, ई और आई से सर इसका लेंथ देखेंगे, तो इसका लेंथ इस हिसाब से होगा 2।
चलो ठीक है. So if I am trying to find out the length now, if I have included the node T, then in that case it is 3. Height of the B will be 3. Okay, now tell me height of the F is
0.
0
0.
height of the F will be 0. Height of the A will be
height of the A will be A to B to E to 3.
4.
3.
3.
3.
Three.
Like ignore that T. T
Sir,
ignore
T
that.
is
If
also-
T is there, then it is 4. If T is there, then it is 4. No issue. Okay. So now height of the tree will also be defined in this way. Height of the tree is the height of the root now. So height of the tree will be in this case 3. So ab height ke case mein we need to be careful. The height of the tree will always be the height of the root node. But in the previous slide we have seen that degree of the tree will not be the necessarily that degree of a node, root node. Is it okay? So be careful while you are trying to find out some, like in this type of the calculation. Now depth of a node. Depth of the node is the length of the path from root. Okay.
रूट
Which is
टू
equal to
लीफ
number of edges. अभी उल्टा है. Depth क्या होगा? बताइए. Depth for B क्या होगा? Please B read carefully and tell me what is the depth
1.
of B now. Depth of the
1.
node length. Node is the length of the path from root,
1
which is equal to the number of edges. Yes, 1. So depth of the node is the number of edges, or we can say the length of the path from the root now. So height तो क्या था? Distance from leaf है, and depth क्या है? Distance from root है. इस तरीके से ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोग. Is it okay? So depth of B is 1 in that case, because it has only like one edge in between from root to that particular node. Like suppose I am asking now depth of J, what it will be?
3.
डेप्थ ऑफ जे
But the height of that J will be?
3
0.
Height of that J will be?
0
Height of J will be 0. If T is not there. Okay, and if T is there, then height is
1.
1
1. So abhi clear है सबको?
यस सर श्योर सर
Now depth of the tree is, depth of the tree क्या होगा? With the help of definition you can tell me now. Maximum number of nodes in a branch. Depth of a tree.
3 3 मैक्सिमम, हाँ 3 होगा।
Sir, 5.
Can anybody tell me depth of the tree is?
Sir, 5.
You just ignore that T. Okay, please ignore T. T I have
4
made over
4
there.
4 4
4.
Anybody else? Is it 3, 4, 5? What is it?
4
3.
4.
3, sir.
Depth of the tree. Maximum number of nodes in a branch. What is a branch right now? How many branches are there? Tell me. We have seen in the previous slide, there are 6 branches.
6
Okay. And now tell me what could be the maximum number of nodes in any of the branch. Out of 6 branches, maximum number of node किसमें है?
डी में है सर।
डी में 3.
मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स कितनी है बच्चे किसी भी ब्रांच के अंदर?
3.
3
Maximum.
It is not 4.
नो
This is a branch and there are how many nodes in this branch?
1
4.
2
4.
3
4. So what is the degree of a tree? That is 4. Maximum number of nodes in any branch.
सर मेरा सही
Is
था
it
मतलब
okay now?
मैंने तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया था।
Okay, one more definition can be given for this particular thing. That is, depth could be maximum level plus 1. Now tell me what is the maximum level for that tree? इस tree का maximum level क्या है?
I और J हो सकते हैं। I J और G का सर चाइल्ड नोड क्या है? K
Maximum level is
3 नहीं 0 1 2 3
3.
root at level 0. This is level 1. This is level 2.
3
And this is level
3
3. So the depth will be 4. Maximum level plus 1, that is 4. Is it okay now?
ओके सर।
Anybody wants to ask anything? Do fast.
सर डेप्थ में हमने ये रूट नोड भी रूट भी इंक्लूड कर लिया है। डेप्थ में सर रूट को भी इंक्लूड करेंगे।
डेप्थ में रूट से ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे बेटा, रूट से ही लेंथ कैलकुलेट होगी। हाइट में लीव तक
Sir, height of a tree.
height of the tree is the height of the root node actually. What is the issue in this?
Sir, not able to get how it can be 3.
Okay, tell me the height of the root node A. Height of the root node A की height
Sir,
क्या है?
Height of the
Maximum path length from that
two
node
है,
to the leaf
two है।
node.
1 है 1
Sir,
हाइट ए 1 है।
Height of the
3
tree
है,
क्या
sir.
है? 3 है. Height of the A is 3. So height of the tree is also 3. Now have you got it? Let me revise. Height will be calculated from the length from that node to leaf. Length of the path from that node to the leaf node. आप उस नोड से लाइक सपोज आपको सी की लेंथ आइडेंटिफाई करनी है तो फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल स्टार्ट? टेल मी.
Okay, sir.
From C we will start and we will move downwards in order to find the height. Okay, so C से मैं जाऊंगा नीचे और maximum leaf तक लेके जाऊंगा मैं उसको. So there are two paths. One is that after C I have two leaves K and H. So which one has the maximum path length?
Sir,
K.
from C.
K1 is the maximum path length, that is 2. So height of the C is 2. Height of the D is 0 because it is at the leaf node. Height of the B will be 3 because it has
3.
two paths and both are having that particular 3 length. So 2. Is it okay now? So for height, I need to start from that tree
Yes, sir.
towards downwards. Now I am coming to the depth. So depth में क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will start from the root till that particular node. Suppose I want to find the depth of D. So I need to start from root and towards D. So how many edges are there in between that path? 2 edges. So
2.
depth of D is 2. Suppose I want to find the depth of J. So J is from A. From A I need to start towards J. So
3.
जहां तक जितनी भी edges आएंगी मुझे J तक पहुंचने में, that is the depth of that particular node, that J. Okay, so now height क्या होगा हमेशा? Height of the tree will be the height of your root node. Similarly, now depth will always be maximum level plus 1. आप ये चीज ध्यान रखो हमेशा. Depth क्या होगा? Maximum level निकालेंगे, उसमें हम plus 1 करेंगे. So it means maximum level in this case is 3. We will start from 0 and we will find out the maximum level and then we will add 1 onto that. So depth of that tree will be 4. Technically, what we can say is it is maximum number of the node in any of the branches. So how many branches we have? We have 6 branches in this tree. Branches will always start from root node till the leaf node. So जितनी leaf node है उतनी ही branches होंगी हमेशा. So अब मैं maximum length की branch identify कर लूंगा and that will be the depth of my tree. Is it okay? Maximum जो branches हैं उसमें हम number of nodes identify कर लेंगे और वो मेरी depth होगी tree. Now coming on to some other terms that are non-terminal nodes. Yes.
Sir, path length is the number of edges.
Yes, path length is always the number of edges in that particular path. Like suppose I am trying to find out the path from A to J. So how many branches are there? How many edges are there? 3. So it will be of the 3 path length.
Okay, sir.
A, B, E, J. Okay, number of edges, not the number of nodes. Please, like इसको ध्यान रखना हमेशा. Now, non-terminal nodes. Non-terminal nodes, it means कि a node which are not the leaf node, except the root node. Non-terminal मतलब होता है ये बीच की सारी nodes. जो leaf node नहीं है और root node नहीं है. तो non-terminal nodes यहाँ पर होंगी B, E, G, and C. These are non-terminal nodes. So overall, we can divide the nodes of the tree in how many parts? Can anybody say? How many
2
types
parts.
we can say? We can
3
divide
Sir,
the
so
overall nodes
parts,
in the
binary
3
tree.
types. 3
Binary
types.
tree.
One is root node, second one is
Leaf
leaf
node.
node, and third one is non-terminal nodes. So root के अलावा और leaf के अलावा जो भी nodes बच रही हैं वो सब non-terminal nodes के अंदर आएंगी. Is it okay? Because वो कहीं ना कहीं भी terminate नहीं हो रही हैं. Like root node भी एक तरीके से आप देखें तो terminate हो रही है यदि हम backward direction में movement कर रहे हैं तो. Leaf node भी terminate हो रही है यदि हम forward direction में movement कर रहे हैं तो. So जो node कहीं पे terminate नहीं हो रही है, इसके आगे पीछे दोनों चीजें कुछ ना कुछ है. It means it must have a child as well as a parent. Then it is a non-terminal node.
सर एक मिनट सर बोले को ध्यान से देखने दो.
Forest means. हाँ
हेलो
बताओ.
सर इसको ध्यान से देखने दो मेरे को. नॉन टर्मिनल में कुछ बी.
I will share the PPT and you will like look at that according to your like time. Okay. And if you will
Okay,
have
sir.
doubt, then you can ask me. Forest is a set of disjoint trees. Forest क्या होता है actually? जंगल में क्या होते हैं? अलग-अलग ट्री
बहुत सारे पेड़.
है ना. So suppose हम बहुत सारे ट्रीज की बात करेंगे तो वो सब का कलेक्शन क्या होगा? हमेशा फॉरेस्ट होगा. So all different trees, suppose I will talk about. I have an example of that also. I will come on to that actually. Okay. So forest will be the collection of different trees, disjoint trees. Now the predecessor or ancestor. Predecessor, it means ki just parent. Predecessors, parents, or parents to the some other ancestors. Similarly, successor or descendants. Successors क्या होंगे? Childs or childs of childs and so on. So ये तो English terms हैं. I think it is okay with you all. Predecessor मतलब हमेशा parents की बात करेंगे. Parents or grandparents and grand to grandparents and so on. Ancestors जिसको हम generally कहते हैं. And same descendants, it means कि हम अपने childs की बात कर रहे हैं. Childs and their children and so on. So this is the terminology that we are going to use in this particular tree. So is there any doubt in that now? Root, parent, child, sibling, leaf, subtree, labels, keys, degree of a node, degree of a tree, path, branch, then height of a node, height of a tree, depth of a node, depth of a tree, then non-terminal nodes, forest, predecessors, and successors. Is it okay? Now the characteristics of some trees. First of all, it is a non-linear data structures. I have already explained, because it represents the data in hierarchical format, not in a linear manner. Here we are not representing any kind of data as a linear manner. Okay. Now it combines the advantages of both. Okay, ordered and unordered array. यहाँ मैंने unordered लिखना भूल गया. So it will also have the advantages of unordered array. It means unordered. It means कि it could be not in the ordering form. Okay. Now searching as fast as in the ordered array. Searching इसमें बहुत fast होगी. Okay, like binary search will be the very good example of the tree that can be like we can say the searching. Binary search could be the very good example of the searching in a tree. It will be very much similar to the binary search we have used already when we are going to search in a tree actually. Okay, how? Actually, we will divide that particular tree into two parts. Either we will move into the left part or I will move into the right part. So definitely वही हमने binary search में किया था actually. We have divided the whole array into the two parts, either in the left part or the right part. So हमने automatically उसको half में divide कर दिया पूरे tree को. So searching will be very fast. Other than searching, insertion and deletion will also be fast in this. If we will compare it with the array, okay, and it is simple and definitely it is a fast. Fast मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ इसका कोई मुझे बता सकता है why it is fast actually? In everything it is fast. Like the term for every operation, whether it is a searching, insertion, deletion, it takes lesser time in comparative to the other data structures. Why?
Sir, we need not traverse whole.
Yes,
Depth for
definitely. We
tree.
need not to traverse the whole tree. Okay.
सर
As
हमको
we
एक ही
already know, so everything will be there. Like in the case of insertion, also suppose I need to insert something. So either I need to move into the left part or into the right part. So automatically half of the sub tree has been cancelled out or ignored, you can say. In every time, in every step actually. Suppose now I am at that point, so this particular tree have been neglected. I need to move into this direction. So in this way, actually, the operations on that tree will be fast. Okay, now applications could be directory structure of your file storage. Like आप अपने computer system में whatever you are going to store, first of all, what you follows? So you just like when you start we can say partitioning your drive. So you made drives like C drive, E drive, and E drive also. Okay, so what happens in that also? There is a root drive that contains C, D, E drive, and then C drive में हम कुछ folder बनाते हैं, like suppose program files already बने हुए होते हैं कुछ folders, users के folders बने होते हैं. D drive में suppose you are D drive में आप folders बना रहे हैं movies के, softwares के से, E drive में कुछ और folders बना रहे हैं आप songs के, let us say programs के, and so on. So in this way it will also resembles with the tree. So it could be the good application of directory structures of tree. Okay, arithmetic expression, that is very important, that we will have that in our syllabus also. Any arithmetic expression can also be represented with the help of a tree. Okay, we will see how actually. Okay, now used in almost every 3D video games to determine what object needs to be rendered. Used in almost every high bandwidth route for storing the router tables. That is networking actually. I have already discussed. Okay, in networks, router tables being used like trees. Okay, or also be used in the comparison algorithm, such as they can be used to find out the what could be the format of that particular file. So these are some of the examples or the applications that we could have for the tree. I will discuss some other applications meanwhile this unit also. Okay.
सर इसका जनरल लाइफ एग्जांपल बताऊं सर?
Sorry,
इसका जनरल लाइफ एग्जांपल बता सकता हूं सर?
जनरल लाइफ एग्जांपल बताइए
सर. इसका जनरल लाइफ एग्जांपल है एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट दैट कंटेन डीन, फिर उसके बाद प्रिंसिपल है HOD, और उसके बाद प्रिंसिपल्स, और
yes,
फिर
it
उसके
could
बाद
be also a hierarchical structure that is resembling with the tree. Very good. Okay, so like in institutes में भी हमारे पास hierarchy होती है. First of all, director is there, then academic directors will be there, then institution-wide directions will be there, then deans will be there, HODs, and so on. In this way, it can also be represented with the help of tree. Okay, thank you very much. Now coming on to the binary tree. So now this is what we need to study actually. The specific kind of the tree that is binary that we have to study, which is in our syllabus actually. So binary means, can anybody tell me what is binary? What the term means, binary means? Am I audible?
यस सर, हम रूट से स्टार्ट करेंगे और एक ही ब्रांच में
I am asking about the term binary means. What is the meaning of binary? If you know,
Sir,
then you
binary
just,
means
you,
two.
you tell, otherwise.
Two, sir.
Binary means two.
Binary means
Two.
two. That's it. Binary means two. That is 0 or 1. Binary numbers पढ़े ना हमने 0 and 1. So binary means 2 only. Okay. So with the help of that 2, we can conclude that binary tree. Definition of binary tree. So binary tree means, I have also highlighted over there 0, 1 or 2. I think everyone is able to see that 0, 1 and 2. So a tree with at most 2 children is known as binary tree. Please be careful. A tree with at most 2 children is known as binary tree. At most means ki either 0 or 1 or 2.
Or 2.
Is it okay? So 0 तो definitely होना ही होना है, because every leaf node must have a 0 children. तो leaf nodes तो होंगी tree के अंदर. Similarly, one node could be there of any, one child could be there of any node, or 2 childs could be there of any node. So if the tree has maximum number of children as 2, then it is a binary tree. So you can see that in this case, in my example, B has 3 children, D, E and F. So it is not a binary tree. Is it okay?
Okay sir, C binary tree.
But in this example, the tree 729154, in that tree, no node has 3 childs, okay, or 4 childs. It means we can say more than 2 childs. No node has more than 2 childs, so that's why it is a binary tree only. So we will see the various operations on binary tree only now. Yes.
Sir, we are examining the whole tree or the part of a tree?
It will be for the whole tree actually. Okay, for the complete tree must not have at max more than 2 childs. Okay.
So that means we are analyzing each node also.
We will
analyze each node.
Definitely we need to find the degree of each node actually. You can say also that degree of the node, at most degree of the node could be 2 only. Okay, now tell me, what is the degree of 7 here in this case?
7.
Degree of 7 is
2.
Degree of 7 is 2. Degree of 9 is
1.
1. Degree of 2 is
2.
Degree of 1 is
0.
5 is 0 and 4 is 0. 14 is 0. So maximum degree of this tree is
2.
So binary tree में maximum degree कितनी होगी हमेशा? 2 होगी. We need to find the degree of each node now in that case. Technicality, what we can say for the binary tree is, technical definition is, a binary tree T is either empty or such that, either empty, you can see that. The tree could also be an empty, which means there is no node. Okay, such that T has a special node which is known as the root node only. And then T has 2 sets of the nodes that are left tree and right tree, called the left subtree and the right subtree respectively. Like in this case, which tree is a left subtree?
215.
This tree is the left subtree.
Left one.
Okay, for the 2, for the 7 root actually. And this subtree is a right subtree. Is it okay?
Yes,
and
sir.
now left subtree and right subtree individually will also be the binary tree only. So that is what the technical definition of this. Suppose I want to convey with this also one thing, like in examination you also need to write the technical definitions. I am checking your copies of first midterms and I found that most of the students have not written the technical definitions of. Suppose you have been asked to define the Q, so the definition must be technical. Okay, so try to put some technical words in that always. सो आप यहाँ पर देखोगे मैं भी हर चीज की एक टेक्निकल डेफिनेशन जरूर देता हूँ आप लोगों को, जो बुक्स में मिलेगी और जो आपको कहीं पर भी मिलेगी. सो binary tree is a tree in which no node can have more than 2 childs. This is a simple definition to learn and to remember that what is a binary tree. But suppose you need to write the definition in the examinations, then you need to write this one. Along with that, you can write that also. But if you only write this one, you may not get the full marks. Okay, you may get the marks, but you may not get the full marks actually. So now from with the help of that, you can see it is a root, and one is the left subtree and one is the right subtree, and both left subtree and the right subtree will also be the binary tree. Similarly for their subtrees also, like D and like E and F and so on. This will also be the left subtree. This will also be the right subtree in the case of this tree only. And every subtree will also be the binary tree only. So that is all for today right now. Okay. So we will learn more about the binary trees, and we will learn how the various operations on the binary trees in the next class. Okay. So is there any doubt right now?
सर आपने जो लास्ट में कहा वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, we will discuss it again. Okay. Right now I think the time is above 11 and we need to join the class.
Okay, sir.